What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. This bike's got vivid black paint. It's just shy of 30,000 miles. It runs and rides great. Overall, the condition's good. It's got a few light scratches here and there. The fairing on the front. It's got some kind of tree sap or overspray. It's real not too noticeable until you get right up on it. And I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick up on it. Just kind of see my reflection. But there's just little dots, little small dots. Other than that, it's got a couple of paint chips. If you can see all these little dots right here, that's kind of what's on the fairing. It's got a good tire on the front. It's got ABS brakes. A little bit of oxidation on the fork legs. It's got the LED Daymaker headlight, matching spot lamps. It's got the Clockworks tinted windscreen, adjustable wind deflectors. It's got some upgraded Avon grips, cruise control. It's got factory security as well. It's got a little phone mount. It's a 103-inch fuel-injected twin cam, 6-speed transmission. Got the heat shields, and 14 was the first year for the one-touch saddlebag latches. It's got a light scratch on the tour pack. Brand new rear tire. It's a Michelin Commander 2. Chrome's in good shape. On the lower fairing, there's a little chip, a little scratch. And on this one, there's a little scuff on the outer edge. The bike's got 28,250 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.